If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today our challenge, today for this week's challenge, make it a complete sentence here. I, I'm going to encourage you to look up images, or maybe you want to use your own images, that's fine, but look through images that definitely tell a story and critique them. Not all of my images in my portfolio tell a story as thoroughly as we've gone through in storytelling in the past weeks, and then talking about the hero's story, or as much as we've gotten through it, hero's journey. But I'll put a link to my portfolio, and you can look through my portfolio and critique it. Let me know down below in the comments below of this video of what you've seen if you look through my portfolio, and what's weak on storytelling, what's strong. I'm always looking for ways of improving my storytelling in photography. So if you want to share your portfolio and strengths or weaknesses of what you have done or what you do, you can share a link in the comments down below, and you're more than willing to do that. We look forward to being able to see your work. But the critiquing of images is going to be pulling from what you know about the hero story and how the photographer was able to craft and put that information into that photograph at that time. And when you're able to identify, then as you craft and you are designing, staging, and styling, yeah, okay. I wanted to make sure they all fit together. Your photograph itself, you will be able to identify what you have put in, at what stage in the story your photograph is framed, and what elements must be present, or how you represent each element by your shot. So very really and truly, yes, these challenges have been a purpose to form your skill in such a way so that you go from learning the frame of the hero's story or journey to being able to identify it yourself and to be able to communicate that in words, writing it out, and then telling the story, being able to craft a story for other people, and then critiquing that story or that process so far of the hero's journey in a photograph, to then be able to critique your own photograph as you get it set up and staged, even finally styled, before you take the image or when you take the image, to what you want your final image to be. So this challenge today is to critique the images that you find, whether it's in my portfolio or you go search images of a specific artist, photographer somewhere else, critiquing that storyline so that you can identify and you can clarify the different aspects of the story in these images. Thank you so much for watching, and as again we said, just let us know down below what you found that were weak aspects of the storyline or not as visible, or what were strong aspects, and how you can, a third aspect you can write down in the comments below of how you can improve that in your style and your shooting. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing your comments, and we thank you for the thumbs up this video so that others can see this journey and come along and journey that same pathway with us. Thank you so much. If you're not yet a subscriber, we look forward to your subscription. We encourage your subscription to this channel and to level up with us, getting better 1% at a time. Thank you so much. God bless.